Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we will talk about MATLAB scripts. So previously, you were working on command window. So you type one command, it will execute it. Now we can collect those commands into a file, and this one is called a script. As we can see, MATLAB script is multiple lines of MATLAB code. As every language, using a file like this is reusable, is scalable, easier to debug, and easier to share. In fact, you have already seen the MATLAB light scripts, right? So that is a special kind of script. Now we will talk about how to write a MATLAB script. First, you can see when you click the new script, it will generate a new script like this. So it's here, right? And here, what we show is we call it an editor toolbar. So all the related buttons are here. These one are the script file itself, so we can write multiple lines in that. So the codes can be here. So as you can see, there is a semicolon after each command. So what does it mean? Semicolon means that we don't print out the value of the variable in the command window. So for example, a equals to 5, if we remove the semicolon, when this line is executed, a equals to 5 will be displayed in the command window. And you can try it yourself. If you put the semicolon here, this will not be shown. And then you can, if you want to run the script, you click the run button. Run line by line, the start button. After you finish the script, you can save it. And for the saved one, you can open one. If you meet problems and you want to debug the script, we can put breakpoints there. And you can see these two other breakpoints. So eventually the MATLAB file, after you save, it has the type is .m. This is the default file of the MATLAB file. We can see the icon here, right? And note that the saved MATLAB file is in the current working directory. As you can see here, this is the current working directory. And if you build a script here, you save it, then it becomes here, right? Okay, let's summarize this. The script tools can be found in the editor toolbar. So then you can enter your MATLAB code line by line into the blank script. After that, you can run your script via the run button. So MATLAB does not compile your script file. Instead, it will execute the scripts line by line. So after that, you can use the save or load button to save your MATLAB scripts. So more details, you can see the live script here. Often, when someone writes a MATLAB script, in many cases, there are problems, such as a syntax error. So how to solve them? This is called debugging. Later, you will see a video about how to debug a MATLAB file with a real case. Here, I provide some tips. The first one is we need to read the error message carefully, because it's very helpful. But from the error message, you can know that where the problem is, right? So then, the second thing, we can use the step button to execute the code one line by one line. This is to find out if the current, after the execution this line, are the current value of the variable the same as what we expect. So where to find the values? They are in the workspace, right? This is a special thing for MATLAB. All the values of the variables are saved in the workspace. So in the workspace, you can check all the values. Then you can put the breakpoints to pause the executions at some lines. So you click the line number, you can add a breakpoint. So these are the guidelines. To make use of them, please watch the separate video after this session using a real case and you can also see more in the live script. Okay, thanks. So here I put the buttons in the editorial toolbar, so you can see that what are they and what are the function of them. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.